Welcome back, outdoor enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the top 5 best camping gas stoves essential tools for making meals in the great outdoors. We'll break down the pros and cons of each stove to help you decide which one is the best for your adventures. Let's get cooking. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Campx camping gas stove. When it comes to outdoor cooking, having a reliable and efficient stove is essential. The Campx camping gas stove is designed for campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts who need a portable cooking solution. This video will evaluate the pros and cons of the Campx camping gas stove to help you decide if it's the right choice for your outdoor adventures. Pros. Portability. The Campx camping gas stove is designed with portability in mind. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry in a backpack or camping gear, making it an ideal choice for hikers and campers who need to save space. High power output. This stove offers substantial heating power, allowing you to cook meals quickly and efficiently. Whether you're boiling water for coffee or grilling meat, the high power output ensures that you can prepare food in a timely manner. Versatile cooking options. The stove is versatile and can be used for various outdoor cooking needs, from simple camping meals to barbecues. Its adaptability makes it a valuable addition to any outdoor cooking setup. Durable and sturdy. Constructed with durability in mind, the Campx camping gas stove can withstand the wear and tear of outdoor use. This durability ensures that you can rely on the stove for many camping trips to come. Easy to use. Setting up and using the stove is straightforward, making it suitable for both experienced campers and beginners. The simple design allows for quick assembly and operation, so you can focus on enjoying your time outdoors. Cons. Limited cooking capacity. While powerful, the stove may have limitations when cooking for larger groups. If you're planning to prepare meals for multiple people, you might find the cooking area insufficient for larger pots or pans. The Campx camping gas stove is an excellent option for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a portable and powerful cooking solution. Its compact design, high power output, and versatility make it a practical choice for camping, picnics, and barbecues. Coming in at number 4, the Pacoone camping gas stove. When it comes to outdoor cooking, having a reliable and efficient stove can make all the difference. The Pacoone camping gas stove is designed to cater to campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts who need a sturdy cooking solution. Made with high-strength materials and safety features, this stove promises to deliver quality performance. In this video, we'll delve into the pros and cons of the Pacoone camping gas stove to help you determine if it's the right fit for your camping needs. Pros. Durable construction. The high-strength alloy used in the construction of the Pacoone stove ensures it can withstand heavy usage and the rigors of outdoor cooking. This durability is a significant advantage for campers who need a stove that can handle various cooking conditions. Enhanced safety features. The stove is equipped with a high-quality gas delivery pipe made of all-woven steel wire. This design effectively protects against damage during use, reducing the risk of gas leaks and ensuring a safer cooking experience. Stability under pressure. Thanks to its robust design, the Pacoone stove can support heavier pots and pans without compromising stability. This feature is particularly useful when cooking larger meals or using multiple cookware items at once. Compact and lightweight. The Pacoone camping gas stove is designed to be portable, making it easy to pack and carry during hikes or camping trips. Its lightweight nature allows for effortless transport without adding significant weight to your gear. Versatile cooking options. This stove can accommodate various cooking methods, allowing you to boil, fry, or simmer meals with ease. Its compatibility with different gas canisters also adds to its versatility. Cons. Limited wind protection. The design of the Pacoone stove may not provide adequate wind protection, which can be problematic when cooking in windy conditions. Users may need to seek additional windbreak solutions to maintain efficient cooking. The Pacoone camping gas stove presents a compelling option for outdoor cooking thanks to its durable construction, enhanced safety features, and versatile cooking capabilities. Its ability to withstand pressure and provide stability makes it suitable for various camping scenarios. At number 3, we have the Widesea WSS-201 camping gas stove. The Widesea WSS-201 camping gas stove is designed to cater to the needs of outdoor enthusiasts, offering a reliable and efficient cooking solution for camping, hiking, and tourism. Made from a combination of stainless steel, copper, and aluminum, this stove promises durability and performance. In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of the Widesea WSS-201 to help you determine if it's the right camping stove for your adventures. Pros. Durable construction. The Widesea WSS-201 is made from high-quality materials including stainless steel and aluminum. This ensures that the stove can withstand the rigors of outdoor use, including exposure to harsh weather conditions and physical impacts. Lightweight and portable. One of the standout features of this camping stove is its compact and lightweight design. Weighing less than traditional camping stoves, it is easy to pack and carry in a backpack, making it an ideal choice for hikers and backpackers. Versatile applications. Whether you're going camping, hiking, or engaging in outdoor tourism, the Widesea WSS-201 is designed to accommodate various cooking needs. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool for anyone who loves cooking outdoors. Efficient heating. The stove's design allows for efficient heating, which means you can cook meals faster compared to other camping stoves. This is especially beneficial when you're short on time or need to prepare food quickly during outdoor adventures. Easy to use. The Widesea WSS-201 is straightforward to operate, making it suitable for users of all experience levels. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a beginner, you'll find it easy to set up and start cooking. Cons. Stability concerns. The stove may require a flat and stable surface for safe operation. Cooking on uneven terrain can lead to stability issues, which might compromise safety while cooking. The Widesea WSS-201 camping gas stove is an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts looking for a durable, portable, and efficient cooking solution. Its construction from stainless steel, copper, and aluminum ensures longevity, while its lightweight design makes it easy to transport. Next up at number 2 is the Dotwise camping gas stove. When it comes to outdoor cooking, a reliable camping stove is essential for preparing meals and staying warm. The Dotwise camping gas stove is designed to meet the needs of campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts with its durable construction and innovative features. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of the Dotwise camping gas stove to help you decide if it's the right fit for your outdoor adventures. Pros. Exceptional durability. The Dotwise stove is constructed from excellent iron material, providing exceptional strength and durability. This means it can withstand various weather conditions and high temperatures, making it a reliable choice for extended outdoor use. Effortless packing. Its compact design and small footprint make it easy to store and transport. Weighing in at a manageable level, this stove is perfect for those who want to minimize their gear load while still enjoying outdoor cooking. Advanced windproof technology. The windproof design of the Dotwise stove allows it to perform efficiently even in windy conditions. This feature not only helps maintain heat but also reduces energy waste, ensuring you get the most out of your fuel. Powerful and versatile cooking. With a high firepower output of 20,000 W, this stove ensures efficient cooking for a variety of meals. Its integrating design provides stability, minimizing the risk of accidents due to tipping or spills. Wide range of uses. The Dotwise camping gas stove is suitable for a variety of outdoor activities, including camping, hiking, picnics, and more. Whether you need to cook a hearty meal or stay warm in chilly weather, this stove can handle it. Cons. Limited cooking space. The compact design, while convenient for packing, may limit the cooking space available. Users cooking large meals may find themselves constrained by the stove's size. The Dotwise camping gas stove is a solid choice for outdoor enthusiasts looking for a durable and efficient cooking solution. Its exceptional durability, compact design, and advanced windproof technology make it a reliable companion for various outdoor activities. Finally, at number 1, we have the Mountain Hiker camping gas stove. The Mountain Hiker camping gas stove is designed for outdoor enthusiasts who need a reliable and efficient cooking solution while camping or hiking. Constructed from durable materials such as aluminum alloy and stainless steel, this stove promises to deliver consistent performance in various outdoor environments. In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of the Mountain Hiker camping gas stove to help you make an informed decision. Pros. Durable construction. The Mountain Hiker stove features a furnace body made from aluminum alloy, which is both lightweight and strong. The stainless steel components enhance the stove's durability, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Versatile fuel options. This stove can use both butane and propane, giving users the flexibility to choose the fuel type that best suits their needs and availability. This versatility is particularly useful for campers and hikers who may encounter different fuel sources during their travels. Compact and lightweight. Weighing in at a minimal amount, the Mountain Hiker camping gas stove is easy to carry, making it a practical choice for backpackers and outdoor adventurers who prioritize weight savings in their gear. Stable cooking platform. With a stainless steel tripod design, the stove provides a stable cooking platform which is essential for safety and efficiency while preparing meals in outdoor settings. Good heat output. The stove's design allows for effective heat distribution, enabling you to cook meals quickly and efficiently even in challenging conditions. Cons. Temperature control challenges. Achieving precise temperature control can be difficult, particularly when cooking sensitive dishes. Close monitoring of the cooking process is essential to avoid overcooking or burning. The Mountain Hiker Camping Gas Stove is a solid choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a lightweight, durable, and efficient cooking solution. Its aluminum alloy body and stainless steel components ensure long-lasting performance, while the versatility of fuel options makes it adaptable to various camping situations.